everyone, I'm here at St. Regis, Goa, and this video will help you get some details around the property, about the rooms, the tariff, the distance from airport, etc. So this is around 30 kilometers away from Goa International Airport, and it's closer to an hour ride maximum. This property is spread across 50 acres of land, and this has a private beach of close to 900 meters. So this is a beach view right now where I'm standing. It's a private beach of St. Regis, and the best part is this is a white sand beach, right? Unlike the other beach properties. This property has around 146 rooms. They have 46 suites and some 12 villas, which has some couple of rooms with their own private pool. They are spread across a land of 50 acres, and it's a beautiful property. It has 3 outdoor swimming pools. They have 6 restaurants which serves intercontinental, your Pan Asian, your Italian, everything. It has a children pool separately out of those 3 swimming pools. They have a dedicated children club, which I will share more details around all of this with you in my later part of the video. They have a spa which has steam and sauna into it, which is free for the residents, and then you can do the therapies etc. in the spa. I like the food here, it's amazing. You should try all the restaurants, especially the Susegado, which is the beachfront shack. So whoever likes to enjoy some time looking at the beach, that place is for you. Apart from that, there are different categories of room that I said. The lagoon pool view where we are staying, that's a basic category of room. We couldn't get the high end because there was lack of availability because of the crowd in the Christmas time. But they also have the club room and the suites category as well. So during Christmas it becomes very much crowded, and it's very difficult to get rooms. This place was initially Leela, and this is now newly renovated, and it is very beautiful because the new renovation has kept in mind the modern architecture and the way the amenities are. Hey, here we are at St. Regis. It was a kind of not that warm welcome. In fact, we were looking out for people to ask where we have to go and check in. So I gave the feedback immediately, and then they compensated with this nice welcome drink. It is a coconut water, which is very tasty, and the check-in formalities are going on. And I'll give you more updates as we go and explore the property. Stay tuned. This is the welcome ritual known as the shell bracelet ritual. So the local Goan fishermen do believe that shell is a gift from the sea, which gives good luck, good health and prosperity. So I'm here just to share the same with you as well. Thank you so much. Yeah? Yeah, please. That's actually beautiful. Thank you. Alright, we are starting our journey from the lobby to the room. Let's see how the resort looks on the way. Seems to have a nice lush greenery here as well. I can already see some sort of Christmas theme decoration. I could see the reindeers. Let's see. People are decked up here for the Christmas brunch. I will opted for that because we already have our Christmas dinner planned here. We are already full with the breakfast. I have no space for brunch anymore. So there's a lagoon pool over here. Looks pretty nice. By the way, this hotel was Leela before when I came. And this lagoon pool was there that time as well. I remember they have done certain renovations in the past 1 year, and by when they turned to be St. Regis, people say that the rooms are well, furnished and newly renovated. Let's see how it looks. I can already see the private beach of this property from far. Not sure if we can capture it in the camera, but we can show you a glimpse of the private beach area. Wow, I can see the umbrellas and all decorations done towards to it. Oh wow, there's a huge Christmas tree. I can see it from far. I don't know whether it would be, my camera can capture this, but it looks beautiful. So our Christmas dinner is being planned there, and I'll share more snaps and videos of the same with you in the evening. Just showing you a little bit of glimpse. We're going near the tree. Wow, it looks huge, amazing. Wow. So this is a beach, the private beach of St. Regis. They also have a bar called Susegado and restaurants where we will, as I said, we will have a Christmas dinner. So I'll share more updates on the food and beverages that time. There is cycling as well, I can see on the way. People are doing cycling there. This looks just the way it was when it was Leela. They have kept it nicely maintained. I don't see a lot of crowd as well. So you would see a cycle kept parked over here. So the residents come over here, do the cycling, explore the property. So here about the area and updates. Now we'll talk more on the room. Stay tuned. So here's our room. We're just gonna enter the room. Room number 311. It's a lagoon pool room. Nice. Not as spacious as Taj Exotica, but it looks beautiful. I think it has a private balcony too. Let's see. Oh yeah, it has. Wow. It's nice, beautiful view from here. So you can sit here, have a sip of tea and view this pool, lagoon pool. Wow. And there's an over bridge as well that side. Oh, wow. There's a man-made island as well, as Karthik is saying. So here we are at St. Regis Goa's beach, where they are going to do the champagne savoring, which is a global activity of St. Regis, and it is being done across all the properties of St. Regis. And this is gonna be my first experience at St. Regis Goa, and I'm quite excited about it. Let's see what they do here. So let's give a count of 3, 2, yes, and we will favor the body. Let's give it a count. 1! So glasses of the bubbly could be passed around, allow us to raise the toast. Hello. How are you? Good evening, friends. I'm sitting here in the balcony of my room and sipping on some nice hot tea, my masala favorite masala tea. और the view from here मेरी balcony से बड़ा ही बेहतरीन view है. You can see the greenery around. I showed you in the beginning when I was showing you the room tour, but right now it is feeling even more better because it's so peaceful and calm. The birds are chirping like they're singing some song for us. The weather is quite pleasant. It's neither hot nor cold. Kids have gone to the children club, so I'm free right now, having my time, me time. Husband is at spa, so he's having his own fun there. So I think this holiday is really cherishing because especially it's been 2 days at St. Regis and I had a very good time. I had a good dinner yesterday. Today's dinner is planned at Susegado. We'll share more updates with you regarding that. I'm quite excited because it's going to be a barbecue Christmas Eve dinner by the show. So let's see what's in store there. Thank you. So here we are heading towards our barbecue dinner at Susegado restaurant, which is at the beachfront. As I mentioned, we would be having a dinner there. It's a special post-Christmas dinner that's been planned, and I'm super excited about it because it's going to be a little lavish. So let's see what's happening there. As you can see, the name Susegado, it looks quite fancy and nice. And I'm very excited because I can already see the Christmas theme decoration going on, and there is some live music that's going on, and I'm ready to dance. Prepared that we're going to have dinner at the beach, and looks like we're going to sit right in front of the beach. So I'm even more happier. As you can see, I'm directly sitting in front of the beach, and there is a Christmas tree right behind me. I'm so happy and feeling amazing. So let me take you through the buffet of today's special Christmas dinner. Nothing is actually served on the table. Everything is like a self-service. As you can see, there are some sort of sausages and some cheese, cream here. And then there are some sorted veggies. We have a whole sum of breads over here. And then you can prepare your own soup. So there's sukma for today. There are some live stations as well for barbecue. Some shashliks. My favorite lovely, isn't it? So here are some other live stations with some different type of dishes, intercontinental dishes. For non-vegetarians, it's like a wholesome of amazing dishes. So they serve seafood, by the way, over here. So for all the seafood lovers, it's gonna be fun. This is the dessert counter. As you can see, there's a combination of Indian as well as Western desserts. And then they have a lot of cakes and other stuff. So I'm gonna have my dinner now. So I'll share my updates on the cost because I don't want to shock you in the beginning. Let me first have the food and then tell you a fair review on the whether it's fair to the cost. So here comes the end of our wonderful dinner at Susegado. I would share an honest opinion now. So it was a great evening, but the food wasn't that great, especially because I'm a vegetarian and it was a seafood restaurant, but they promised there'll be a lot of vegetarian options. But though I was not very satisfied with the food, but I was really very happy with the setup and the way it has been decorated. So overall, I would rate it 3 to 4 in between because at the end of the day you also pay for the food. So coming to the charges, we ended up paying almost 10k plus tax per head. So it came out to be more than 30k for us because we also had kids. So but not that worth it, I would say, because they could have done a good job at food. Yeah, we had a great evening because of the music and stuff like that, but as I said, food was like. So here we are at Children's Club of St. Regis, and I have my child with me here whom I'm going to take inside. There are various activities that they do over here inside the Children's Club. Let's see what's there in store.
Hello.
The other one is here. Nice. Wow. Who gave you this? Thank you. So, as you can see, she got some sort of goodies already. Yeah, so there are a lot of activities that they do, a lot of art and craft, paper craft and all. They have kept some soft toys, some children blocks and colorful pencils, etc. Uh, to keep the kids occupied. So here we are at the fitness center of Centrages, which is nothing but the gym. It's 24 by 7 open and you have to open it with your room card key. And there are a lot of machines which is there like cardio machines, cycling machines, and they have a lot of towels for refreshing, some which is dipped into ice water. And they have kept some apples, some toxin water, etc. Let's see what is there. A lawn area of St. Regis where various chargeable activities also happens. We'll get to know more details from the spokesperson, what is the tariff and etc. So, यहाँ क्या क्या होता है भैया?
तो मैम यहाँ पे गोल्फ एक्टिविटीज होती है,
अच्छा,
आर्चरी, पेंट बॉल, और गोल्फ में हमारे पास पटिंग भी है और गोल्फ राउंड भी है।
ओके। तो ये सब क्या चार्जेबल है?
हाँ, चार्जेबल।
क्या चार्ज है इसका?
गोल्फ राउंड का 2500 प्लस 18% टैक्स।
ओके, फॉर हाउ मेनी मिनट्स?
वन राउंड।
वन राउंड, ठीक है।
12 होल 3 par course
ओके।
एंड फॉर पटिंग इट इज 900 प्लस 18% टैक्स।
आपके पास कुछ टेलीस्कोप भी था मैंने देखा,
हाँ,
वो तो फ्री होगा ना रेसिडेंट्स के लिए कि वो भी चार्जेबल है? हाउ मच?
170।
Okay, so you saw guys the charges and other things. So it's nice. You can come here, enjoy, view the stars from the telescope. It's fun. So here we are at the Spa and Wellness Center of St. Regis. It has various therapies and spa, massages that's been done here. There is one Nirvana massage which was very good, which I tried yesterday evening. And then they have a lot of other massages like your deep tissue, Balinese, and then crystal sound healing, Reiki, etc. They also do a couple massage. And also there is one unique thing about the center is that they do a full sort of package massage which is like more than a day, and they include some sort of rejuvenation and rehabilitation, those sort of things like stress and relief, those kind of wellness massages. So whenever you come to St. Regis, you may try this. It's really good. Hi friends, good morning. This is Oliveto Restaurant and we'll be having our breakfast today here, and I want to take you through the breakfast spread today. Come. So here is a North Indian sort of thing, which is like your first South Indian dishes, which is idli, vada, and other stuff, and sambar, and then there is a Gujarati, it's for especially Gujarat lovers. So here is some fafra jalebis and some bhakarwadis for you, and some snacks. They have some juices here, fresh juices, the canned ones, and then they have the health drinks. There's some milkshakes for the little ones, and we'll directly jump to the cut fruits and some sort of dry fruits over here. Just besides the cut fruits, there's cereals as well for the kids, the chocos and various other Kellogg's. After that, there is live station, and you can ask the guy to make some fresh dim sum for you. There is egg station, wherein you can ask the guy to make scrambled egg or omelette or whatever you want in your way. By the way, I tried cheese omelette, it was very good. And then there is some sort of essence of Goa, which is the Goan delicacies. And finally, we have some other North Indian breads and puri bhaji, etc. So there is another surprise for the breakfast, uh, guys, which is my favorite part of the spread. I will show you. So this is my favorite part. This is the live station for waffles and pancakes. They prepare decent, amazing waffles over here. You can make it your way. And then so here we are heading towards Serenity Island. It is a small man-made island that they have made. It's beautiful because it has a lot of swings, chessboard, your yoga and dance, classes, etc. It's beautiful, and they also do rabbit feeding, by the way, which we are going and enjoying. So here we are at the man-made Serenity Island, and as I said, there are a lot of your swings, and there is live chessboard wherein you can play with a huge chessboard. They do a lot of maintenance, as you can see the ladies sweeping the place because they want to maintain this island. And there is a small temple that they have made here, which is actually not a temple, but they have actually done dance classes over here. So they kind of teach them dance over here. And then the best part where we wanted to head towards is the rabbit feeding. So you can, as you can see, there is a white cute little rabbit, and we are going to feed him, and I'm really excited to do that. Namaste. हाँ. जरा पकड़ के भैया, नहीं मेरे पास बच्चा है, थोड़ा पकड़ के भैया. They are very cute. Wow.
खिला तो कृष्णा
खिला?
वो सर गोद में रहेगा तो नहीं खाएगा, उसको डर रहता है ना.
अच्छा. Rabbit? हाँ खिला दे कृष्णा, rabbit को खिला. So I just finished my breakfast and I am done with the rabbit feeding too. I wanted to share a couple of feedbacks with you as well, because as you will also spend so much money and come to St. Regis, it's not a very mediocre hotel. The minimum charge of one basic room category is actually 80,000 plus tax. So I want to give a honest feedback over here. The maintenance and the landscape and everything is very good. It's well organized, the room interiors, everything is perfect, but the food for especially vegetarians, it's really pathetic. I had my breakfast just now, and yesterday night's Usegado review I've already given to you honestly, and now the breakfast was actually, the spread they have increased, but the quality of the food was really pathetic. I mean, when we ordered the puri bhaji, the oil was dipping into the puri. Even at home, we don't eat such kind of food. And when I asked for omelette, it was really half cooked. So these are a couple of examples, and another one is I ordered cut fruit from my infant at a room temperature, and it was frozen. So these are a couple of things that they should actually work towards, which we have given the feedback to them as well. Otherwise, for non-vegetarians, it's a paradise because they have a lot of non-veg options, seafood options, and you will love the food. So on the food, I would actually not rate them one also because I was really, really very, very sad. Coming to the service, they are like sometimes very good and sometimes they are just off, right? So yesterday they were good, but today breakfast table, even though it was not that much crowded and they did not have so much of pull of people, but still they were really reluctant to help us out, and it seemed like they don't want customers to come, right? So I would still they rate them 3 or 2.5 because not very warm. And otherwise, yeah, other than that, everything else is fine. You can come here if you're a non-vegetarian, but if you're a vegetarian, please watch out. I just arrived with my bicycle to the Aqua Lounge. It's one of my favorite spots because it's always less crowded, and there are a lot of indoor games here like pool, chess, and other stuff, which is indoor games, and my favorite carom too. So as you can see, there is very minimal crowd over here, and it's always like that, and very peaceful. You can enjoy your time with your family, play some indoor games.
Wow.
This looks yummy, no?
Yeah. Maybe that may be it.
Okay, the video has started.
अभी क्या करना? वीडियो क्या करना?
इतना ही बस अच्छा, और छोटा कर थोड़ा सा ठीक है और ये थोड़ा सा स्टिक से पकड़ो। ये बोले नहीं सर आपका नाम ऐसे आपका ड्रेस वेट हो जाएगा। ये थोड़ा सा आगे
Aravi, can you move? Aravi, move back.
निकालने के लिए हो जाएगा।
हाँ फेंको।
देख लो ऐसा वो उल्टा पकड़ के फेंक जाए। यहाँ से ऐसा रख के ऐसा टर्न।
You have to.
थोड़ा उधर।
Amazing.
So we are ready to check out now. Just sipping on some hot tea to get energized for the next trip to Citade. Overall, my experience was pleasant and very good in terms of having good family time. But as I said, the food thing, that was terrible. I didn't like the food here. But otherwise, the amenities and the beach and the Christmas party, all of those were a plus. So overall, I'm happy from St. Regis. It's just that they can do a bit work on food.